Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to grow zinnia from seeds at home. Guys, zinnia is a beautiful flower plant to add to your garden. Zinnias are one of the easiest and most rewarding flower to grow as they grow quickly and bloom heavily. They come in variety of color, shapes and sizes, and moreover zinnias do best in full sun. They generally takes 60 to 70 days from seeds to flower. So this is the best time for their seedling if you want your zinnias to bloom from early summers. So let's begin the video and learn the process to grow zinnia from seeds at home. So these are the seeds of the zinnia which I preserved from my last year plant. You can get zinnia seeds from your nearby nursery, or I have shared a link in the description box to buy seeds. You can click that link and order from there also. You can take any 8 to 10 inch size pot, and the soil mix which I have used here is 45% garden soil, 10% vermicompost and 45% fine sand or river sand. And just make sure the pot in which you are sowing the seeds has well drainage system so that excess water is drained out easily. Now sprinkle the seeds all over the pot or the soil surface and just make sure do not overcrowd them. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of same soil mix. Just remember, do not bury the seeds too deep as then they will not germinate. Now spray some water. And cover the pot with any transparent sheet or carry bag and tie it with the help of rubber band or any thread, as it gives seed correct temperature and helps in germination process. Now seedling is complete, and keep this pot in partially shaded area till seeds start germinating. And when your seed starts germinating, you have to remove this plastic sheet from the pot. Guys, just remember that the soil should be little moist at all the time for better result, but do not overwater the pot. So I have transplanted my zinnias individually in different pots. So guys, after your seedlings has 3 to 4 true leaves, at that time you can transplant them in individual pots. And you can see my zinnia plant is growing so well. It has started giving buds. So friends, this was all for this video. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share it with your gardening lover friends and family. And those who are visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to hit red color subscribe button and hit the bell button to get notification of my new update. Do leave your comments below about the video. Till then, thank you and happy gardening.